Dave here with Limitless Brave. For the past 16 years, I've been mentoring men to help them shift their mindsets so they can shift their world, helping them with their dating lives, their marriages, their divorces, their businesses and careers, as well as living an awesome lifestyle. And of course, everybody's favorite, making more money. In today's video, I want to talk about how it's never too late. I just finished a session with a client. He's an older gentleman getting ready to retire. Should have retired a year ago. Doesn't have to work anymore. He's just set up financially. He's good to go. And I've worked with him for several years. He's just a great guy and had a lot to work through. And he is just about to crescendo and get to just the perfect place for his retirement. And super proud of him. But he grew up with a mindset of poverty because that's what he was raised in. He was raised in poverty. He was raised in very difficult financial conditions. And up until about a year ago, he still believed that he was living in those conditions. And he actually wasn't. He could have retired several years ago, but just was living in this fear that he wouldn't be able to make it if he stopped working for some reason. So we worked on that. We were able to shift his mindset and give him some really concrete facts that he couldn't ignore between my work and his financial advisor, that he was good to go and could retire. And that's just part of the background. He also had a son that he didn't interact with. The son had kind of disappeared, and through the acceptance of his behavior and understanding what he was doing as a man and not really showing up the way he should be, he reached out to his son, and they now have a great relationship. And he puts all of his effort into learning what he's learned with me, into sharing that with his son so that his son can become a better man as well. And his son is primed to take over his career, and his son is very much interested in his dad's work and what he's about and what he can do with it, all his dad's connections and everything. So they spend a little bit of time every other week getting together. His father shows him the ropes of the programming business that they have, and he's kind of taken over his dad's legacy, which is really nice because prior to working with me, he had no legacy to give to anyone because of many factors that went into his family life. But he's reconnected with his son. He's doing well. I think he's 67. Hits the gym every day, youthful energy to him, super light, looks great, just a fun, jovial guy. And, reconnecting with his son is something that he's wanted to do for a long time, but just didn't know how. And we were able to make that happen for him. And the fun thing about what they're going to do this New Year's is they're going to go to Dubai and celebrate New Year's in Dubai. And it's just awesome to see this come full circle for him. The trip to Dubai, the reconnection with his son, finally retiring, getting the job done and just finished with, and stopped holding on to these past beliefs of, what he was dealing with and what he was believing about himself, and just a whole new trajectory. And it's just really nice. And one of the things that he was talking about during our call was he doesn't know how many more New Year's he has left. And while that's a sad thing to think about, it's true for all of us at any age. We don't know how many New Year's we have left. We don't know how many days we have left. That's the only thing that we pretty much don't know in life. And if you have an opportunity to go and do something, if you have the means to do it, even if you don't have the means to do it and you can find the means to do it, by all means, go out and do that thing, especially if it's something that you desire, that's near and dear to you, that is something that, you feel will complete you. Go out and do it, and go out and take the risk, because a life on your deathbed full of regret is no life at all. And yes, there's risk involved when you really want to go out and live the life that you want to live, which kind of leads me into why I'm sitting in this car and have these bibs on and this kind of camo thing. And, you might see that there's some snow falling behind me. And this is something that I've enjoyed since I was a child, and that's skiing and snowboarding. And I've worked very hard to build my life and my business around this dream of mine to be skiing and snowboarding all over the world, and still working with my clients and helping them out as they help me out by boosting my business and trusting me and helping me meet my goals. And a lot of people look at money and business and services as giving and taking. To a degree, that's very true. But at the end of the day, we're all helping each other to the best of our ability realize our own dreams that we want to live out. And so, yeah, I'm sitting in a car right now at a ski resort in Colorado, making these videos, talking about my clients and working with my clients from the car. And it's just a dream come true for me. Now, is this dream for everybody? Absolutely not. Some people's dream is to work at the beach or hang out in the desert and travel around and, or be up in the mountains like I am. Everybody's different, and everybody has that dream that they want to experience. And the thing is, guys, is you got to put a lot of work into it. It usually doesn't come easy. Occasionally there's people that can pull it off pretty easily, but for the most part, it's a lifelong grind, so to speak, to get things to actually come to fruition and happen. And you are able to live that life that you want without sacrificing anything in your business, anything in your relationships, or any of that. It's this really nice balance that you have to strive for. And that goes for relationships, that goes for business, that goes for your personal wants, desires. It goes for a lot of things. When we look at what Buddha said, right, he talked about the high road and the low road, but the middle road was the most balanced way to go and be. And so I'm not always trying to strive for extreme perfection, and I'm not trying to do the least amount. I'm trying to find the balance for me. And the balance for you is different than the balance for me. And understand that and honor that in yourself, that you can't go and do what some people can. And those people can't do what you do. And that's totally okay. So, if you have a dream and you think that just by making money is going to make that dream a reality, that's partially true, but you're more wrong than not, because I've done a lot of my dream fulfilling with very little money. And, I have a very successful business now, so, money's not that much of an issue, but, allows me to do things at even a greater scale now, which is wonderful. And I've put a lot of time and effort and blood, sweat, and tears into building my business, which allows me to work remotely with my clients and fulfill my dreams without sacrificing much of anything. So depending on your mindset, some guys, especially older guys, think that it's too late for them. They think that they can't achieve what they want to achieve. And I promise you, you can. If you're dedicated to your intention, your desire, you will be able to accomplish it. Unfortunately, a lot of men that I work with have good ideas, but they have very limiting ideas behind those good ideas, and it keeps them from actually succeeding in life. It actually holds them back. And working with me, I might undo one or two of those limiting beliefs, and the next thing you know, they're off to the races doing exactly what they've wanted to do for a long time. And we don't know what we don't know. So remember that, guys. If you're saying, oh, I could never do this, I could never do that, that's not for me. That's for other people that are rich or better looking or more fit, whatever it is, whatever your story is. We all have lots of stories, and we're all good at manipulating the shit out of ourselves. Just know that that's all bullshit. You can go and do it. And it takes someone like myself or anybody else that you find that you trust to work with to help you reframe your mind to get you on that path that you want to live. It's not always a pleasant journey, but it is a journey that is very fulfilling once you start seeing what you once believed not possible for you actually happening in your life. And that's what I've been helping with for the past 16 years, is making men have that life they never thought was possible for them, fulfilling that dream life that they always daydream about at work in a job that they hate. So if you're one of those guys, if you're looking for a solid mindset shift, a reframe, if you're looking to live a dream that you didn't think was possible, check out my workshops down below in the description. There's also the Limitless Brave private reserve community. The link is down in the description. And of course, you can always reach out to me, and we can have a consultation call, and I'll share with you whether or not I'm able to help you with what it is you're trying to achieve. I would say 99.5% of men that hop on a consultation call with me, I'm able to help them. There's a very small percentage that I, tell them that this service just isn't for them. So, yeah, guys, I appreciate you watching the videos here on YouTube. The channel's growing, and I appreciate your comments and your engagement. And I hope to work with you in one of my workshops one day. I've got virtual workshops and in-person workshops. So hope to see you one day in one of those when you're ready to level up and get to that next level and start living out that dream life that you've always dreamed about. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.